Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix battery draining very fast on your iPhone iOS 26. For example, if you are using iOS 26 and you have recently installed that iOS 26 on your iPhone, and if you notice any unknown battery changes or battery draining very fast on your iPhone iOS 26, so how you can fix that? Or just what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply go to settings and you have to go to the battery options here, and here you have to check your battery performance, whether your battery performance is according to your usage or not, which means if you have charged recently and if your battery draining very fast and it shows low curve, then that means you have to check again whether your battery is working properly or not. Moreover, you have to need turn on some settings, like you have to go to battery health and charging, and here you have to check your battery health. If it is greater than 80%, then well and good, and if it is less than 80%, then you have to replace your battery, because less than 80% mean your battery health it's not able to use more than enough, so you have to change your battery and replace it from the official Apple store, and you have to make sure that you replace your battery from the official Apple store, otherwise you will not get the original battery. So you have to make sure that about that. Moreover, you can check your peak performance capability, and you can check whether it is turned on or not. Here is written built-in dynamic software and hardware system will help counter performance impact that may noticed as your iPhone battery chemically ages. Moreover, you can also turn on your optimized battery charging option, which means if you turn this on, then it will automatically charge your phone according to your usage, and it will not charge 80% until you need to use it. So you have to turn this toggle on if you want to increase your battery health and performance, so you have to make sure about that. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.